Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this base, dia 80, thickness is 30 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the top plane, select circle, give the dimension 80 mm. Finish sketch, select your mid plane 30 mm. Next I will create this part, that is thickness 20 mm, diameter 50 and 150 from the center. Select top plane, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 50 mm, 150 mm. Select this and this horizontal constraint. Select line, select this circle and line, give the tangent constraint. Create one center line, select this line, mirror about center axis. Select convert entities, select this circle, OK. Trim entities, trim this circle. So finish sketch, extrude, select the mid plane, thickness is 20 mm. Next, same surface, there is a 4 mm cutout, this cutout, and both sides. Select this surface, sketch, select here convert entities, select this surface, OK. Select offset, reverse direction 5 mm, OK. Give the dimension 5 mm, 5, 20, 45, 'So finish sketch, select extruded cut, required only 4 mm depth. Select this cutout, mirror about center plane, OK. Next friends, total 5 cutouts is there. I will do it in a single sketch. Select this surface, sketch, first select convert entities, select this line and this line, OK. Offset this and this, reverse direction 5 mm is OK. Now select circle, diameter is 49 r 49 into 2. Trim entities, create circle again, give the dimension 59 into 2. Trim entities, circle, create 2 circles, give the dimensions 64 into 2, 69 into 2. Trim entities, next select circle again, create 2 circles, give the dimensions 140. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. 120. Trim entities, trim these lines. Select rectangle, create one rectangle, give the dimension 15, 30, here to here, 100 mm. Select this and give the horizontal constraint. Next select circle, give the dimensions 20 mm. Select trim entities, trim these unwanted lines. So you can see all the sketches are done. If you want, you can take the screenshot, friends. It will help you to do the 3D model. So finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through hole, OK. Next select this hole, do the mirror. Mirror about center plane. Next you can see there are center cutouts is there. Select this surface, sketch, create 2 circles here, give the dimension 20 mm, this is 70 mm. Next select line, center line, select line, create 2 lines, this angle is 40 degree, here to here 20 degree. Trim entities, trim these circles, so finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through hole, okay. So total 6 cutouts is there, circular pattern, select the circular part, give the 6 cutouts, click OK. So that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Here fillets is there, select fillet 3 mm, select these edges, so assign the material friends, steel, in the steel, polished steel, edit appearances, select this color, okay. So that's the today's session friends. I hope today's session you are enjoyed. Thanks for watching this session friends. Save the part wherever you want. Ctrl S.